Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing why Windows 11 is stuck on getting ready. Remove all external drives and peripherals before any repair attempt. Restart the PC and watch the screen for repeated getting ready messages. Note any percentage or time estimates shown during the loop. If the device is on a laptop, connect power and keep it plugged in while diagnosing. Record whether safe mode or advanced startup options appear after successive restarts. Try simple fixes before advanced recovery steps. Power cycle the PC by holding the power button for 10 seconds, then restart normally. If the loop persists, force 3 consecutive shutdowns to trigger advanced startup options. From Advanced Startup, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings to boot into Safe Mode. In Safe Mode, uninstall any recent updates or drivers that triggered the issue. If available, use System Restore to revert to a known good restore point. Proceed to Advanced Recovery if simple fixes fail to resolve the issue. From Advanced Options, run Automatic Repair to address boot problems and corrupted files. Open Command Prompt and run sfc/scanno to repair system files. Then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix Windows image corruption. If repairs do not complete, create a recovery USB and backup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.